Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming across our YouTube channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and also hit the subscription button for more updates and for more videos that will benefit you in your area of specialization, not only in construction but other area, because what you are going to see through here is what will benefit you in anywhere, everywhere, like anywhere you go. So today our topic is safety, and safety is the most important thing that every engineer, architect, name it, in every area of your specialization, or even a driver, banker, operator and everything, you need to know more about safety, and which is the most important thing you need to know. It's the most essential part of any area. That's why most times you will be hearing like something like observe safety first before any other thing. So we are going to teach you everything, like everything you need to know about safety, both in construction and in your area of specialization and even in your houses. Yeah, like, because for you to put on your electric stove and electric gas, electric cooker, you must know how to, the caution and the precaution you need to take concerning that. So, but we are not going to go into the home usage of a or the home, area of safety, but we are going to specialize more on construction, most especially on safe on sorry most especially let me say most especially on earth movie sector, on earth movie sector, so that it will benefit all these operators and all these employees, worker and laborers in every area they specialize on. Safety is the most important thing, and it can be defined as the art of being safe, or the art of staying away, or art of avoiding some accident in construction company. When it comes to safety, is the number one thing you need to know about. When it comes to safety, is the number one thing you need to implement in your day-to-day activity. When it comes to safety, is the number one thing you need to teach people, teach other workers, other employees in every area. Wherever you find yourself, always preach the gospel of safety, which is the most essential and very important thing you need to know. So like I have explained before, safety can be defined as the art of staying away, or preventing danger, or staying away from accidents in your company or anywhere you find yourself. There are some certain things you need to know in construction company. There are some certain areas in which you need to know that maybe if you pass through this area as an operator, if you pass through this area, that your machine might even fall. So you need to know about all this area and how to manage your safety equipment. For instance, before you become an operator in my company, before you become an operator, we need to teach you on we need to go through a course of safety, so that you will be able to understand the risk factor, so that you will not be able to wound or hurt yourself in course of performing your daily activity. So we are going to teach you everything you need to know, but I want you to, if you are just watching us, subscribe, share, comment and like for more video. Always hit our notification button for more updates and for more things that we are going to teach you in nearest future. So we are going to go deep, like we are going to teach you more about all this safety and how to implement them in your day-to-day activity. As an operator, or as an engineer, or as a laborer in a construction company, you need to know what you should do and what you should not do to prevent accidents in your company or in your area of specialization. Number, for instance, knowing fully well that you are an operator, you need to put on your safety jacket and also your safety boots. If possible, you need to put on your hand glove from so that you will prevent any harm from touching your arm, like palms and all those stuff area of your hand. And safety boots also helps to prevent you from matching weapons like all these, or preventing you from being a victim of electric shock accident, which you may be knowing or unknowingly, or let me say unknowingly, matching of electric wire, which can result to electric shock. Your boots, your safety shoe, let me say safety boots, can help you to prevent that accident from happening. And secondly, you need to know the benefit of putting on your safety jacket. Your safety jacket enables you to stay away from any accident. For instance, now as an engineer, when you put on your safety jacket and be working on instruction, let me say you are working on a night shift and you put on your safety jacket, there's no how, for instance, a driver or a vehicle or any object that is passing by will not notice that there is human being there. And that's the most important thing. Your safety jacket glows at night, you get, and it makes you full let me say it makes you fully known as an engineer or as an operator when you put on your safety jacket. And when you put on your hand glove, it prevents all this bashing of your hand on a iron or something, and it can prevent everything from happening to you. And another one is that a way of preventing accident in your construction. You can know those objects that can cause accidents in your area of specialization, and you shift them. Or as an operator, when you want to start your daily activity, for you to maintain the safety of your machine, you need to check all those area of your machine before you can be able to turn it on. You can check your engine oil, your radiator, your transmission oil, and your hydraulic oil. And after checking all those things, you can check under your track to see if there is any person or anything under it that needs to be removed. After that, you can be able to start your daily activity, knowing fully well that everything is in order. But when you know that everything is not in order, it will really affect your daily activity. It will really affect your work. For instance, now let me say maybe somebody is lying under your machine and you don't know, as an operator, be it excavator, payloader, grader, those are anyone, not knowing that somebody is under your machine, and maybe you match the person and the person will die. You see, it will result to other thing. Please, if you are just coming, or if you are just seeing this post, just like, share and comment.